Today I ran down to the freight yard and picked up an item that I've been needing for about a year now. I'm really looking forward to getting it. And here it is, sitting on my trailer. Let's go ahead and get this thing out of the crate. This crate is super sturdy and they packaged this very well. No worries about it being damaged in transport. Let's go ahead and get this plastic off of here. I can stop wasting your time. And let's go ahead and do our big reveal. What we have here is the Swisher Predator 24-inch walk-behind rough-cut lawnmower. Basically, it's a self-propelled walk-behind bush hog, which is going to be the perfect size for using down at the ridge. I can't wait to get this thing in action. But first, we got to put her together. Before we put her together though, I'll just give you a brief overview here. Kind of take a look at what she looks like straight out of the crate there. Front and back. Pretty easy setup. All you really have to do is mount handles on this thing and it's ready to go. Let's take a look underneath. There's the blade. You can see the clearance. Clearance can be adjusted. Makes it very nice, depending upon what you're going to be running through. Other than the service manual for the engine, this is all the instructions you're going to get. It's straightforward. Disconnect your wire from the spark plug. These 6 bolts and 6 nuts attach the handles on each side. They go on pretty much just like that. Then the next thing that you're going to need to do is you're going to want to take these 2 bolts and these 2 nuts and this handle here and go ahead and set it in place right here. Your side handles finished off are going to look something like this. You can see where those 3 bolts went in and you can see the angle which those are mounted. I'll go ahead and quickly give you a shot of the other side and show you it's identical over here. That's how that should be mounted. Very straightforward. And here's another shot of the transmission handle, just in case you missed it the first time. This is the one thing that the instructions don't cover, and that's this cable here and how it runs all the way up and attaches at this point here. None of the instructions cover this. It bolts in with the last remaining bolt and nut right there. And that's everything that comes in the package with this rough cut mower. And that's it. Our Predator 24 is all set up and ready to go. This item comes shipped with oil, at least mine did. Already pre-leveled, pre-filled, went ahead and checked that. Obviously it doesn't come filled with gas, you got to do that yourself. But other than that, as you can see, the setup of one of these things could not possibly be any simpler. Now this is the perfect size for a property like I own where it's very few acres of open area. Most of it is mountainous. So I'm going to be using this to clear just a couple fields and cut trails. My property does not justify a pull-behind bush hog. I truly hope you enjoyed this little overview today. If you did, you know I'd appreciate that thumbs up like. Feel free to follow me on Instagram, and maybe, just maybe, I'll see you on the next video. If you enjoy videos about the randomness of our amazing world, consider clicking on the globe to subscribe, or maybe checking out one of the other videos right here.